Good day. Myself Kaliprasad Panigrahi welcomes you to KP classes. Today we should start a new topic of theory of machine, that is power transmission. In this topic we should discuss about power transmission and types of belts and types of belt drives. Let's start now. Please pause the video and note down on your copy. Power is transmitted from one shaft to another shaft by means of belt drive, rope drive, chain drive and gear drive. We are focused on this topic, today's topic on belt drive. Belt drive. What is belt drive? To transmit power from one shaft to another, pulleys are mounted on two shafts. The pulleys are then connected by an endless pulley passing over the pulleys. This is an example of belt drive. A smaller pulley is attached to the motor shaft and another pulley is used on the working shaft. When these two pulleys are connected by an endless belt, this is known as a belt drive. When power is supplied to the motor, this pulley of the motor revolves, and as the pulley passes over the belt passes over the motor pulley and shaft pulley, as a result of friction between the pulleys and belt, the shaft pulley also rotates. In this way, friction plays an important role for power transmission from one shaft to another shaft. Now comes to types of belts. Mainly there are three types of belts. One is flat belt. This is an example of a flat belt. In this type of belts are flat and it passes over the pulley, but pulley surface of the pulley is also flat. These are rectangular section is mostly used in factories and workshops where moderate amount of power is to be transmitted. When two pulleys are not more than 8 meter apart, then only we are going for the flat belt drive. Next, V belt. The cross section of V belt is in the form of a trapezoidal section, and it is mostly used in factories and workshops where moderate power is to be transmitted and the pulleys are very close to each other. In that case only V belt drive is suitable. Next one is the circular belt or rope. These are the circular in section and used where a great amount of power is to be transmitted and pulleys are more than 8 meter apart. When the two pulleys are distance between two pulleys more than 8 meter apart, in that case circular belt or rope drive is used. Then types of the flat belt drives. First one is the open belt drive. Open belt drive means belt is passes over two pulleys in such a manner that this is the driver, it rotates in the clockwise direction and this is the driven or follower. The power gets pulley is known as driver and to be transmitted to each pulley, that is the follower. In this case the driver rotates in clockwise rotation and in driven also clockwise rotation. That means when we are desiring to rotate the same direction of both the driver and driven, in that case we are going to open belt drive. In open belt drive, this side is the pulling side and this side is the leaving side. As this is the driver, in this case a tension is more than this side, so this side is known as tight side and the leaving side is known as slack side. If the motion of the rotation of the pulley is in counterclockwise, then the upper side will be tight side and lower side will be slack side. In this case, both the shafts are revolve in the same direction. So this belt drive is known as open belt drive. Second one is crossed or twisted belt drive. This is a driver and this is a driven. Driver rotates in the clockwise direction, but if we want to get a anti-clockwise or counterclockwise motion in the driven, then flat belt drive is not suitable. For that only, for this only, we have to opt for the crossed belt drive. In this case, when driver rotates in clockwise motion, clockwise direction, then driver in the anti-clockwise direction. It can transmit more power than the open belt drive because of the angle of contact. Angle of contact means angle of lap, which one we should discuss on later. Here angle of lap is more as compared to the flat belt drive, so more power can be transmitted. Next one is the compound belt drive. In case of compound belt drive, it is used when power is transmitted from one shaft to another through a number of pulleys. See here 4 pulleys are there. Pulley number 1, pulley number 2, pulley number 3 and pulley number 4. Here 1 and 2 pulleys, first pulley and second pulley are connected by a belt drive, and pulley 3 and pulley 4 are connected by another belt drive. See here pulley 1 is the driver and pulley 2 is the driven. One thing to be noted, pulley 2 and 3 are mounted on the same shaft. As a result, when driver pulley rotates by means of belt, the pulley number 2 also to be rotated. As a result, pulley 3 also rotates and the belt drive rotates to the pulley 4. And here power from first pulley transmitted to second pulley, then from third pulley to fourth pulley. This type of arrangement is known as a compound belt drive. In here pulley 1 and 3 are driver and pulley 2 and 4 are driven pulley or follower. A compound belt drive is used when power is transmitted from one shaft to another through a number of pulleys. From here pulley number 4 also another set of pulley 5 and pulley 6 can be arranged. Here power transmitted from first pulley to fourth pulley in this manner. Hope you should understood this topic. The next topic of this chapter is velocity ratio and slip of the belt. Thank you for watching. If you are satisfied with this video, please give a like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.